Travel not recommended? What's that? Fuck that, we're out to have a little fun. I've gone about 6 miles now and I've only met one vehicle so far. The north and south roads are where it's bad. I'm going west right now. This isn't as bad. I don't know why they closed school today. It ain't like the weather's bad. Oh well, there's some drift. Luckily the snow's pretty powdery. You just kind of hit the drifts. They don't really suck you in. But 4x4 is an absolute necessity. They're in fourth gear, about 40-45 mile an hour. Well, here's kind of clear because we got all that blocking the wind. If the wind died down, it's not bad at all. But where it's windy or where there's trees by the road, it drifts like a motherfucker. Here we are, we just went down the impassable road and we barely made it. So, let's try it again. Here. That's fucking extreme. Drifts are deep. Jesus Christ. Gotta love four-wheel drive. I think we came down here most of the way in 2 wheel last time. Anyway, there you have it.